Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, how to find solution of quadratic equations. Solution of quadratic equations can be found out by three different methods. One is by factorization method, second one is by completing the square, and third one is by quadratic formula. First two methods, factorization and completing of square methods, we have already discussed in previous videos, and here we are going to discuss the method of quadratic formula. So you see the question here. Question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by quadratic formula. So we must know what is quadratic formula. And here one term, that is roots. What is this? This is solution, means value of variable. In this case, value of variables means values of x that you can have by processing this method. So first of all, we should know that what is quadratic formula. Let us discuss it. Suppose any quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then there is a formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula is known as quadratic formula, and we can get this formula very easily by the method of completing the square. So here we are not going in details how to get this formula, but you are supposed to remember this formula. This is very useful. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a, b and c are constants. Correct? So you are supposed to remember this formula. Let us start solving these four questions. I am taking four questions here. By solving these four questions, this concept will be very clear to you. So just look at this carefully. Let us start with this first question. Your first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. First of all, we should compare the given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So by comparing these two equations, we can get values of a, b and c very easily. So therefore, a is equal to how much? In place of a, 2. B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 3. Correct? So we will put the values of A, B and C in this formula and you can get the solution. So we'll write x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now put values of A, B and C here. So minus of b is minus 7 plus minus root over b square means minus 7 square, that is 49, minus 4 into a into c. A is 2 and c is 3 divided by 2a. So 2 into, in place of a, you have to write 2. Correct? Now simplify it. So we will get, therefore, x is equal to, this is 7 plus minus root over 49 minus, this is 24 divided by 4. And x is equal to 7 plus minus root over 25 divided by 4. So we are getting x is equal to 7 plus minus 5 divided by 4. Correct? So you will get here two values of x. When you will get this plus sign, 7 plus 5, you will get one value of x, one root, one solution, and another when you will take this minus sign. So therefore, you will get x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4 and another value is x 7 minus 7 minus 5 by 4. So 7 plus 5 by 4 means 12 by 4, that is 3, and 7 minus 5 by 4 means 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So these are the roots, these are the solutions of this quadratic equation. So we get the answer here. Correct? Very simple. Just you have to put the values of A, B and C in this quadratic formula, and you can get values of A, B, C by comparing the given quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let us try second question. Okay, so now let us see this second question. Here second question is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you will get the value of x, will get the solution, will get the root of this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. And you know quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we will compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So by comparing these two equations, you are getting a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Now we'll put these values a, b and c here in this quadratic formula. So you will get x is equal to minus b means minus 1 plus minus b square means 1 minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 4 divided by 2 into a is 2 here. Correct? Now let us simplify it. So this is x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over, this is 1 plus, because this minus and minus after multiplication becomes plus, so 1 plus 32 means 33 divided by 4. Correct? So here we will get two values of x. One value of x when we take this plus sign, and another value of x we will get this when we will put this negative sign. So x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 or minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Correct? So this is one answer, means x is equal to root 33 minus 1 by 4. This is one value of root, one answer. And another is you take minus sign common, minus common. So here root of 33 plus 1 divided by 4. These are the roots, these are the answers. Correct? Okay. Now let us see next question, third question. Okay, now third question is here 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. You will find out the roots, the solutions of this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. And you know quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. I am writing this formula again and again in every equation so that you could memorize it very easily. Correct? Okay. So first of all, what is the method? We will compare this given quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. By comparing, you are getting a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Correct? Now we will put these values in this quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus of b means minus of 4 root 3 plus minus root over b square. So its square will be how much? 48. B square means 48 minus 4ac minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 3 divided by 2a means 2 into 4. Correct? Here you see this is nothing but 48. So here 48 minus 48 will be 0. So we are getting here x is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. This 4 will be cancelled out with this 8. So finally you are getting x is equal to minus square root of 3 divided by 2. This is the answer. This is the root of this quadratic equation. Correct? Very simple. Okay. Now let us see last question, fourth question. Now let us see this fourth question. Question is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. First of all, we'll compare this equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2 here, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 4. Now we can put these values of a, b, c in this quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now I hope you have memorized this question now. X is equal to, put these values, minus b means minus 1 plus minus root over b square means 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 4 divided by 2a means 2 into 2. Correct? So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 minus, this is 32. 4 into 2 into 4, that is 32, and 1 minus 32 is minus 31. You see, this is very interesting case here. Why interesting? Because this question will not have solution, will not have roots. Why? Because this value here, value of b square minus 4ac is negative. So whenever the value of b square minus 4ac is negative, correct, there will be no proper number whose square will be minus. So if there is a negative number inside this radical sign, inside this square root, so this is not a real number. It means we cannot evaluate square root of this minus 31. It means the number x does not exist here. Correct? So whenever this value b square minus 4ac is negative, there will be no solution. So here b square minus 4ac is minus 31. This is negative. This is less than 0. Therefore, this quadratic equation has no solution. And you should know that this b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant of the quadratic equation. So in the next video, we will discuss that when this discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots will be real and distinct, different. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots will be real and equal. But when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means negative number, the case which is arising here, negative number, there will be no solution. So in other videos, we will discuss this part separately. Correct? So I hope that here you have understood very well how to solve the quadratic equation, how to get the roots by the quadratic formula. So that's all about this video today. And in the next video, we will see some more problems from the same topic, solution of quadratic equation. So students, thank you very much for watching this video. So I hope you might have subscribed my channel and you are getting the notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.